Hello. So we're falling behind a little bit. We'll do some catching up. The first thing I wanted to cover was subtracting across zeros. So some students are having a really hard time with this, so hopefully this will help you. We're going to take a number like 600, and we're going to subtract 343. Now when it comes to subtracting across zeros, what's very important isn't that they just go through the steps of cross out, 5, 9, 10, even though that's probably what we're all used to doing. They really need to understand the concept of why they're doing that and what it means when they do that. Now we have drawn this out in blocks before, so I'll do this one the same way, modeling it out. I'm only modeling out the top numbers, so this is 600 here. I have 0 tens and I have 0 ones. Now what's going to happen here is that we can see that without any tens or ones, my first column that I'm subtracting, which is the threes, the 3 here in the 1 spot, there's 0. So I can't take anything from that. I need some ones. Well, the 0 can't regroup anything from the 0, so I got to go all the way to the hundreds. I'm going to regroup that 100. That's going to become 5. So that looks like over here is taking one of these 100 blocks, eliminating it, and putting 10 groups of 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 tens. 10 tens is 100. So that 100 is gone. Now I have 10 tens. So my 10 tens look like this over here. Okay? Still, no one to subtract from. So I have to take one of these tens. Now I have 9 tens. The way that looks over here is taking one of these tens. So now I take that 1 10 and break it up into 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones over here. 10 ones. Now I can subtract 3. I can subtract that from 10. 1, 2, 3. And sometimes they can circle this if they want. That leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 in the ones. 9 subtract 4 is 5. So if I take 4 out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm left with 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last but not least, I'm taking 3. I'm subtracting 3 from 5. So 1, 2, 3. That leaves me 2. 257. There's my answer. Quick check of that. I can do 343 plus 257. And my answer here should match my answer, or my first original number up here of 600. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Regroup that 10. 4, 5, and 5 is 10. Regroup that 10. 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely. Good job.